A very good morning. A very good morning to all of you, 7th B. Welcome to the physics class. Hope you all are fine, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, since it's been long that we have covered the lesson, time and motion. So today we'll be doing a little revision of it. Okay. Please put the speakers off. And yes, we'll be doing revision of motion and time. And what you need to have is your pencil box and you need to have your physics copies. Please write down the heading. It will be a mixture of oral and written revision. Just take out your copy. Some questions I'll be asking orally and some questions you'll have to solve in your copies. Fine. So just take out your copies, write today's date and write the heading revision. Revision for unit test. Revision for unit test 2. And I request you all to put your speakers off. Please do not disturb. So now what you'll do is, children, please listen carefully. As and when I ask questions, fine, you can just keep numbering them 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can note down the questions. Fine. You can note down the questions and the questions that I'll be giving you for solving, like the numerical problems. That obviously I'll be telling you the problem and you'll just note it down and then you will solve. Fine. So rest I will not tell. It's your own, like it's your own thing that when I speak, if I ask question to anyone, rest of you write it and write its correct answer. Clear? Fine. So Prakhar Srivastav,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. A simple pendulum, a simple pendulum undergoes dash motion. A simple pendulum. Rest of you can write by the time, write your answer. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, of course, I'll repeat. A simple pendulum undergoes dash motion. What type of motion? You have to tell
Uniform
the type.
motion.
Yes?
Ma'am, uniform motion.
Uniform motion.
Can I tell, Ma'am Mahira?
Yes, Myra.
Periodic motion.
Ma'am, time period, ma'am, time upon numbers of
Oh, beta, I
oscillation.
just want, Myra, understand. I just want the name of the motion. This is why we are having this discussion. You misunderstand.
Oscillation.
Please listen, all of
Ma'am,
you.
may I
Wait. Just
Ma'am, may I
wait.
put this one?
Listen. Please listen. Please listen. This is just to make you understand that you misunderstand the question and you write the wrong answers. So please understand what is being asked. Here I'm asking you, a simple pendulum undergoes dash motion. You have to tell the type of
Ma'am, can
motion.
I
Yes.
oscillation motion?
Iram,
Ma'am, oscillatory motion.
or you have to, yes, or you write periodic motion since it's repeating after a certain period of time. So periodic motion. Fine. Then Anna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the formula for calculating time period of a pendulum?
Ma'am, ma'am, the formula of time, calculating the time period of, ma'am, of that, ma'am, please can you repeat the question?
Yes, what is the formula for calculating the time period of a pendulum?
Ma'am, uh, 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 time equal to time taken upon the number of the the number of the oscillation.
Okay, fine. Correct. Then Krishna Srivastav. Krishna
Yes,
Srivastav.
ma'am.
Okay. Now Krishna, just tell me if you have the runners for race, if you have runners for race, and you have
Yes, ma'am.
to tell, that who is the winner. What type, please all of you pay attention when the question is being asked. What type of device for calculating time you will use to understand that who is the winner?
Distance time graph.
You will use distance time graph to understand that who has stood first in the race. Just understand that you and Karthik are running. Okay. There's a sports program in the school. There's a race, and you will use distance time graph to tell that who is the winner. What device out of the very common devices, which device do you, and do you, have you ever had sports function in your school, or you have been to any sports function? Have you actually seen that what do the judges use?
Ma'am, can I tell Karthik?
Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
ma'am, speedometer.
You will use speedometer. And where are you going to fit that speedometer?
Ma'am, Mahira.
Akshat.
Iram.
Watch.
Akshat.
Ma'am, stopwatch.
Yes, this is your common sense. Come on. You will use a stopwatch. Simple. Isn't it? And that is why when the results are announced, the judges, they say that this person, so and so person, completed the race in so and so time period. Yes? Because they have the stopwatch with them. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then Daniel James. Daniel James. Daniel, please put your speaker on. And Daniel left. This is very good. Mohammad Adil. Mohammad Adil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now speed in vehicles. In vehicles, the speed is measured by.
Oh, ma'am, speedometer.
Very good. Correct answer. The speed is measured by speedometer. Good. Myra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In a distance time graph, dash is plotted on the x-axis.
Ma'am, time.
Correct. Time is plotted on the x-axis.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes. In a distance time graph, dash is plotted on the x-axis. Okay. And if I say, Myra is correct. Good, Myra. And if I say, Akshat, if I say dash is plotted on the y-axis, then the answer will be?
Ma'am, distance.
Correct. Good. Okay. Next, Iram.
Yes, ma'am.
The distance time graph of a uniform motion is in what form?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the distance time graph, if there is a uniform motion, there will be a single line between the x-axis and y-axis.
It will be a
Ma'am, a line slanting.
straight line. It will be a
Yes.
straight line.
line between
Correct.
x-axis and y-axis.
Yes.
Y-axis.
Yes. Correct. Straight line. Next. Prakhar Srivastav.
Yes, ma'am.
What information can you get from by seeing or looking at a graph?
Ma'am, the following information we can get by seeing a graph. Ma'am, the time. Ma'am, the distance. Ma'am, time, distance.
Time, distance. That means you can calculate the speed. You can understand the speed.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you understand the type of motion by looking at it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it uniform or non-uniform
Uniform motion.
motion? Okay, fine. Okay, now Akshat,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat, what does a simple pendulum consist of? What is the arrangement? A simple pendulum, like what is the construction? What is it made up of?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Just wait. Give some time. Yes, Karthik.
A simple pendulum is made up of the following things: a thread, a ball attached to it,
Which is called
Ma'am, metallic bob.
bob.
metallic bomb.
B-O-B, bob.
Bob.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. And now just tell me, who will tell me what is the main position of the bob?
Ma'am, rigid support.
What is
Rigid
the main
support.
position?
Ma'am, rigid support.
Where it, the mean position where it actually lies, and till where it can go, that becomes the extreme position. So mean position and the extreme position. Okay, fine. Now just copy down a question, children. Write down a question. A train is traveling with the speed. A train is traveling with the speed of 120 kilometer per hour. A train is traveling with the speed of 120 kilometer per hour. Full stop. How long will it take? How long will it take to travel? How long will it take to travel 360 kilometer? 360 kilometer. How long will it take to travel 360 kilometer? And Krishna Srivastava,
Yes, ma'am.
just tell me, what do you have to find in this? Rest of you start doing, start calculating.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Yes, my question is, what you have to find in this? What is being asked in the question?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, what is after how long?
How long will it take to travel 360 kilometer? How long will it take to travel 360 kilometer?
Ma'am, time.
Fine. Start doing.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, done.
Myra, those
Yes,
who have
ma'am.
done can raise their hands. Not actually, but with the emoticons. Karthik, you don't need to put your hand up, beta. It's enough. You've done, it's enough.
Ma'am,
Myra,
I have done.
beta,
Yes,
you've
ma'am.
done? Okay, just tell me what
Yes.
formula you're going to use.
Ma'am, if 1 hour is equal, ma'am, in 1 hour, ma'am, it travels 120 kilometer. Then it travels in 3 kilometer. Ma'am, 360.
I didn't ask this. I asked you that what formula are you going to use to solve the problem?
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, Myra will tell. Myra, tell me with what formula you'll use, beta.
Ma'am, distance upon speed.
Hmm? The actual formula first. Speed is equals to distance upon time. And then from that, to take out time, you'll use the formula, Karthik?
Time equals to distance upon speed.
Time is equal to distance upon speed. Fine, good. Then, placing the values, Akshat? Yes, Akshat? Yes.
3 hours.
Yes, beta?
3 hours.
Yes, you will divide 360 by 120 and you'll get the answer 3 hour. And if you, please all of you pay attention, if you do not write 3 hour, if you simply write 3, then the answer is incorrect. It will be only correct when you write 3 and along with that you write the unit, the correct unit. Fine? So this is how. Now, the next question, write on the next question. A bus is traveling at a speed of A bus is traveling at a speed of a bus is traveling at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. A bus is traveling with a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Full stop. How much distance? How much distance will it cover? How much distance will it cover in 150 minutes? In 150 minutes. I repeat, a bus is traveling with a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. How much distance will it cover in 150 minutes? Mohammad Adil, Mohammad Adil,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, what is given in the question?
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to find. Ma'am, we have to find.
Again. I am asking what is given in the question?
Given, ma'am, speed is given.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, distance is given.
Distance is given.
No, ma'am, no. Ma'am, I forget the question.
How much distance will it cover in 150 minutes?
Ma'am, time is given. Time is
Yes, so time is given. So you need to convert here. Yes, conversion is required. Do it, come on, do it. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Come on, tell who has done. Myra, no, sorry. Mohammad Adil, I think, has done. Yes.
I'm done.
Adil, you've done? Yes, come on. Tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, 750 kilometer.
Hmm?
Ma'am, 750 kilometer.
No, not 750.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, 125 kilometers.
Yes, 125 kilometer. And how? See, it's saying that in 1 hour, yes, like 50 kilometer per hour. So per hour means 1 hour. How many kilometer? 50 kilometer. So converting 1 hour into minute, we'll get, we understand that if we say 1 minute, 1 hour, 50 kilometers, so we can also say 60 minutes. How many kilometer?
50 kilometer.
50. So in 60 minutes, same thing. 1 hour, 50 kilometers, 60 minutes, and 50 kilometer. Do you get that? This much? So now you get, so now, yes, so now you get 50 kilometer per minute if you if like in 60 minutes. And then how many minutes it is asked? 150 minutes. So you will multiply it with 150 and you will get 750 upon 60. 750 upon 6 you'll get. Just have a look. When you will calculate 50 upon 60 into 150. Calculate 50 upon 60 into 150 because 150 is the time given. So you will multiply it with 150 and you'll get 750 upon 6. And when you'll solve this, you'll get 125 kilometer. Is everyone able to follow it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. I think it is clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
Akshay.
ma'am, can we convert the time in minutes into hours?
But then see, it is asking how much distance will it cover in 150 minutes. So ultimately, again, because see, we have to answer the question according to the question's language. It is asking in 150 minute, so we have to tell it in minute. That is why. Else, if you would convert, it's not a problem. See, the all the units should remain in the same value. It should not be that kilo. I mean, it should not be that the one unit is another case and the other one is another case. The cases should remain same. The units should remain same. But then we have to go along with the question, along with the language of the question. Okay, children. So this is how, children, we have come to the end of today's class. It was a revision to make you understand how you are going to answer. And very important thing again which I've observed today is understanding is required. You people just do not even listen the full question, do not read the question and you just answer, which because of which you lose marks. Please understand this is important. First you read the question, understand the question, what is it asking, and then do it. Okay, children? Fine. So till we meet again, take care of yourselves. Keep posting your problems if any. Bye bye, children.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.